Okay, so what is the structure of the functional group? Okay, listen. The oxygen of the hydroxyl group is attached to the carbon by sigma bond. We know that because the hydroxyl group means it is connected to the carbon, and the bond between carbon and the oxygen of the hydroxyl group is a sigma bond, single bond. Okay, and the phenol molecule means, see here, the OH bond electron. See here, these, if you check this bond OHC, COH bond, it will be 109 degree, and in case of methanol, this bond is 108. See, in either it is different. Means in methanol, phenol, and ether, these bond angles are different. See, what is the reason? The repulsion between the unshared pair of electron, that is the lone pair of electron of oxygen, makes the bond angle in alcohol less than that of the tetrahedral angle. If normally total 4 electron pairs are there, we are expecting the geometry tetrahedral and the bond angle will be 109 degree. But if the lone pair repulsion, lone pair repulsion, or bond pair repulsion is there, the bond angle will be different from that of the expected value, right? That is the same thing happening here. See here on oxygen atom we have 2 lone pair. Due to the repulsion, this bond angle is changing. That the expected one is 109, but it is decreasing and increasing in different compounds. Okay, so bond length of the same thing. The bond length also the same. CO bond length. Bond length means the length of the bond. It is again, see, it is the value 136 pm for carbon oxygen bond less than that of the methanol. Okay, see here the bond length are also not same. It is also different. Okay, the reason is the conjugation of C. These electron pairs are undergoing resonance. Resonance means the jumping of electron. Due to this jumping of electron, these bond length are differing. See here, this carbon oxygen bond is single bond. But in case of phenol, due to the resonance process, this carbon oxygen bond is getting a partial double bond character, because these lone pairs on the oxygen atom is jumping here, then there will be a double bond character. So due to this double bond character, the bond means double bond means the bond becomes smaller. So the bond length will become reduces. Okay, so that's why the change in bond length in different molecule. Now the structure of ethers. We know that 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs are there, and they are tetrahedrally arranged, but the repulsive interaction is there. So lone pair, we know that the lone pair repulsion is more than lone pair bond pair repulsion. That is again greater than bond pair repulsion. So the bond length of carbon oxygen is same as that of the alcohol. So these things you have to remember.